If you want to learn how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors or windows on a Toyota Yaris Cross like this one, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross HEV. So this is the hybrid EV version. And I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors and windows. And it is super simple in this car. There are no tools, no screwdrivers required at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the rear door fully. And as you can see and feel, there's some resistance there on the interior handle, and that's because it is operating this lock. However, if you flick this little lever here down and there's a child with a padlock above, you'll notice that the resistance has actually gone from that handle because it is no longer operating the door lock. However, if you come to the outside one, that one still works as normal. And just to restore it, you're going to flick that back up, and then that resistance has come back. Now the other thing is the windows can actually be stopped as well. As you can see, the window is working fine. If you go to the driver's side and you go to the window switch console here, see that one there with a window and an X for it. If you give that a tap and that LED goes on, now when you go to the rear windows, they no longer operate. Only the driver can operate the windows. And again, just to restore that, you press that button in so that the LED turns off, and now all of the doors can operate their own windows. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.